Alright, we're going to do shape and variability of data. So the first thing we're doing is calculate the lower and upper quartile and the interquartile range. So in order to do this, the first thing we need to do is find the median. So I got these numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to just mark them off. I'm not crossing them off because I need the numbers. So our median there is 29. So then our lower quartile, so I'll abbreviate that to LQ. You take these numbers that you have on the lower end and find the median of that. And then for our upper quartile, you do the same thing. You take this upper set of data and find the median of those numbers. So do the lower, I find the numbers in the middle, which is 22 and 25, and find the median of those. So 22 plus 25 would be 47. Divide that by 2. Goes in 2 times, which is 4. 2 goes into 7 3 times, which is 6. Subtract, you get 1. Since I got 1 left over, I know I'm going to have a decimal of 0.5. Just to show you that, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 23.5 is our lower quartile. And then our upper quartile would be 32 and 33. Well, halfway between 32 and 33 would just be 32.5. So we found our lower quartile and our upper quartile. So to find the range, you just take those two numbers and you subtract them. So I'm going to do 32 and 5/10 minus 23 and 5/10. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 3 we need to borrow. So 12 minus 3 is 9. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's just 9. So our range for our inner quartile range equals 9. So the three answers we got there were the lower quartile of 23 and 5/10, upper quartile of 32 and 5/10, and interquartile range of 9. Alright, so next we're going to do the mean absolute deviation. So the first thing we need to do is to find the mean. And so we're going to add up all those numbers. Alright, I used a calculator, and I'm fine if you guys do that. So add up all those numbers, you're going to get 332. And I had 7 numbers there, so to find my mean, I'm going to divide that by 7. And I'm just going to round that to 47. Alright, so after you find your mean, what you're going to do is take that mean of 47 and subtract it from every number you had there. So you're going to just start 50 minus 47. No matter how you do this, you want your answer to be positive. So 56 minus 47 would be 9. 52 minus 47 would be 5. 47 minus 46 would be 1. 48 minus 47 would be 1. 47 minus 42 would be 5. And 47 minus 38 would be 9. So I take all these numbers, 3951159, and I'm going to add them all together and find the mean of those. So 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 2 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 9 is 34. So I'm going to take 34 and divide that by 7. And 34 divided by 7 is going to give us an answer. We'll just round it to 4 and 9/10. You could round it to 5, which is fine. But that's how you find the mean absolute deviation. Find the mean, take the mean, subtract it from all of your numbers, and then find the mean of that. Just make sure when you do your subtraction, all your answers are positive.